So let me share the screen. Yes. So yesterday we have discussed about when Ali became Bajrangabali. Ani the owl was, Ani the owl's eyes were open. Why eyes were open? Because there were two mechanical monsters in the chawl. Yes, there were two mechanical monsters. They were very much tensed. All the animals, especially Annie and Ali. Who is Ali? Monkey. Yes, they were nervous by seeing that two mechanical monsters. Okay, now let us see this. We have here few keywords. Come on, everyone, you have to read. Read what is the first one? Morning. M-O-R. More. N-I-N-G. Ning.
Morning.
Yes, morning. Morning. Very good. And what is the second one we have here? Bargad. Bargad. Come on. Yes. Bargad. What is the second one we have? Bargad. Yes. Yes, this is Bargad. And third one? Chawl. What do we have? Third one? Chawl. Yes, C-H-A-W-L. Yes, very good. Chawl. And next one, normal. Yes. What do we have next one? Normal. N-O-R-M-A-L. Normal. Read everyone. Ashrita. Normal. Very good. Next one. Staring. S-T-A. Yes. S-T-A-R-I-N-G. Staring. Read the spelling also. Read out the spellings also. Come on. S-T-A. R-I-N. Yes. You can also read like this. S-T-A-R. Star. I-N-G. Staring. Staring. Okay. Next one. This. Yeah. This. D-I-S. This. T-A-N. Tan. C-is. Yes. Distance. Next one. Wait. W-A-I-T. Wait. Next one is minute. Minute. M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute. Read the spellings also. M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute. Next one, monsters. Very dangerous, scary. Yes, monsters. M-O-N, mon. S-T-E-R-S, sters. Monsters. Next one, mechanical. M-E-C-H-A. Mecha. N-I-N-I-C-A-L. Mechanical. Okay. Next one, humans. Humans. H-U. H-U-M-A-N-S. Humans. Destroy. Next one we are. What is the next one? This is destroy. Destroy. D-E-S-T-R-O-double-O-Y. Huh. Destroy. Next one, ground. G-R. Ground. Next one, flatten. F-L-A-T, flat. T-E-N, yes. F-L-A-T, flat. T-E-N, 10. Flatten. Okay. Very good. Very good. So these are all the words you have to learn today. Okay, everyone should learn this. Come on, repeat again. Once again, you repeat. Morning. Come on, repeat. Morning.
Morning.
Burger.
Morning.
Tall.
Tall.
Tall. Normal.
Normal.
Staring.
Staring.
Distance.
Distance.
Wait.
Wait.
Minute.
Minute.
Monsters.
Monster.
Mechanical. Humans. Destroy. Route. Pattern. Okay, very good. So tomorrow you'll be having oral test or dictation. You should ready for that. Learn all the spellings, okay? Now let us see. So today now we are going to learn asking questions. See children here, there are two types of questions. There are two types of questions we have here. One is yes or no questions and the other is WH questions. Okay. WH questions means what? See here, WH questions. Okay. And who, what, which, where, why, when. These are all WH questions. A question which starts with WH are called WH questions. And yes or no questions. Listen carefully, children. Be attentive. See this. Yes or no questions. Yes or no. The questions that can be answered with a yes or a no are called the yes or no questions. So few questions, children, when somebody is asking, you will tell yes, then no. Yes. So when we are giving answers with yes or no, then that questions are called yes or no questions. Okay. See here, yes or no questions. Are you smart? First here, when you are smart, it is a sentence. You are smart. See here, one example is given here. Example, you are smart. Okay, this is a sentence. It is a sentence. But when we are asking question to somebody, we have to start question with this. See, is, am, are, was, were. These are the words we have to use first to ask the question. When the questions are asked with this, like is, am, are, was, were, the question is starting with these words, then the answer should be in yes or no. For example, see, is there no first here? Let me erase this all. Okay. So now see here. Here we have is. Let us take first is. If the question is starting is this your pen? Is it your book? Is it? I'm starting the question with is. Is, am, are, was, were are helping verbs, children. You have to remember. We learned know what are verbs. Verbs are action words. Crying, smiling, eating, drinking, running, jumping, singing, la la la, singing. Yes? All these are action words. These are all called verbs. What are all these called? Tell me, just now I have done some actions, no? What are action words? Tell me. What are action words? Action words are verbs.
Crying, eating.
Yes, crying, eating,
Good
sleeping.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sleeping.
Crying, eating.
Yes, yes.
Crying, eating, laughing.
Yes, crying, eating, laughing, sleeping, jumping, running, jogging, whatever the actions we are doing, all the doing words, yes, are called verbs. What are those called, children? Tell me, verbs. What are verbs? Verbs. Verbs. What are verbs? Tell me.
Action.
What are verbs?
Action word.
Yes, action.
Action
Yes, action
word.
words. So now here we have, yes, yes. In verbs only, we have one more type of verb, that is helping verb. Helping verbs. What are helping verbs? See here, all these are helping verbs only, children. All these are helping verbs. What are helping verbs? Is, am, are, was, were. These are all helping verbs. Tell me, what are helping verbs? Can you give me some examples for helping verbs? Is, come on, repeat everyone.
Is your book? This is your book. Is this your cake?
Huh. Am, see here. You see here, everyone.
How tall is he
Today
now?
only we will learn yes or no questions. WH questions we will learn tomorrow. See here. Yes. This here is, am, are. These are helping verbs. Examples of helping verbs. I is, am, are, and here two more we have. See, was, was,
Wait, I have example.
are. Yes,
I have example.
you have example. Very good. Just wait a minute. I'll ask you. Okay. Is, am, are, was, were. These are helping verbs. You have to remember. You will get a question. What are helping verbs? What are helping verbs? So you have to give answer. What is, am, are, was, were are helping verbs. Now, if the question is starting with the helping verb, you have to give answer in yes or no. Okay? Yes or no? For example, see, I am going to start a question with is. Is it your pen? Yes. Okay. Are you sleeping? No. Are you sleeping, children?
No.
No. Then, yes. Were you writing? Yes. Were you writing?
Yes.
Yes. So see, when I'm asking these questions with the help of these helping verbs, how you are giving answers? You are just giving answer like yes, no, yes, no. Okay. So you have to remember
No.
that when somebody is asking questions with is, am, are, was, were, you have to give the answer in yes or no. Am I short?
No.
Am I short?
No.
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 Yes.
No.
Am I mad?
No. No.
No. Okay. Am I smart?
No.
Am I smart? Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Are you smart?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. So the answers should be given in yes or no when you are going to start the question with is, am, are, was, were. Now you have to ask me questions with the help of is, am, are, was, were. Then I will give the answer. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So you are the teachers today. You ask me questions and I'm your student. I will give you the answers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but you should start. But there is one condition that you should start the question with is, am, are, was, were. These only you have to use. Only 5 words you have to use to ask the question. Okay? Are you ready, children? Okay. So let us start with Rohit Chaudhary today. Rohit? Rohit is not responding. So who will ask the first question? Raise your hand. Okay, Tarini is ready with the question. Yes, Tarini.
Is this your cake?
Yes. Will you please give me?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Next, Manha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ask me question.
If I was smart,
Yeah, repeat again.
if I was smart,
No is. When you are using am, no is. When you are using is, no am. Okay. Anyone you use. Am I smart? You ask.
I'm a smart.
Yes, you are too smart. Yes. Yes. Next, Sai Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ask me question.
Who are you?
Okay, we are not. You should not start with WH. You have to start with helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were. Start with that. Start with these words. Your questions should start with these words.
Okay.
Okay, you just think. I'll come to you again. Siddharth.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
what is raining animals?
Oh, don't start the question with WH word, beta. Just we are talking about yes or no questions. So start the question with helping verb. Is, am, are, was, were. You start. Was you can use. Siddharth, was he sleeping? Was he sleeping? Come on. Ask me one question. Yes, Sai Ritvik, you are ready?
Are you a doctor?
Oh, no. No, I'm not a doctor. Thank
Are you
you.
a student?
Yes, today I'm a student. Yes. Very good. Very good. Janvi. Janvi, you raised hand.
Am I a student?
Yes.
Am I a student?
Yes. I said yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, Tanvisri.
Are you teaching the online classes?
Yes. Yes. Good question. Ashrita.
Are you good?
Yes.
Okay.
Good. Yes, Sai Joshit.
Ma'am, this picture is radio.
Huh?
This picture is radio.
Radio. Which? Huh? Yes.
Ma'am. Okay. Ma'am,
Yes,
are
Brindha.
you
Yes, Brindha.
teaching English, ma'am?
Yes. Good. Yes,
Ma'am?
Veda. Who's the
Ma'am?
somebody's talking. Ma'am, I cannot see.
Ma'am, I want to tell us.
Yes, Mayuri. Mayuri, just wait, beta. Yes, Veda, make it fast.
Are you bad?
No. Veda is telling me bad. Am I bad?
No.
Okay. Ayansh Gupta.
Ma'am, this is a computer.
Is this a computer? But I cannot see what you're showing me. Is this a computer? Yes. Yes. Okay. Advit Guja.
Are you reading? Was teacher, was she sleeping?
Yes. Okay. So almost everyone shared their answers. Still anybody is waiting. Siddharth is waiting here. Uh-huh. Okay. Arhan Mohammed.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, make it fast.
Are you hearing?
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Siddharth, ask me fast. Hurry up, hurry up. Time is running out. Come on.
What? Was he sleeping?
Was he sleeping? Yes. Yes. Vinit Jaker is sleeping. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
are you sleeping?
No. Yes. Are you active? Yes.
Yes.